Alright, xin chào everyone. Thank you all for coming to my channel again. I now in my Grab to Ho Chi Minh domestic airport. Yes, I am now in Ho Chi Minh City. I am transferring to Phu Quoc Island. They say it is an in thing now. We will find out soon. So see you guys in a bit.
Importing all preferences from home interface. Systems are now fully operational.
I picked a hotel in the main town of Phu Quoc Island, Dương Đông town, but it is a 20-minute walk to Phu Quoc night market.
I'm getting a Grab to the cable car to Pineapple Island. I need to rush down because of the flight delay. It's affecting my itinerary plan. And here comes my Grab car. I'm in the cable car now. This is one of the world's longest cable car and will take us to Hon Thom Island, aka Pineapple Island.
The turquoise sea water is stunning and clear. I must say Boracay Island, you now have a serious competitor in Southeast Asia.
Alright guys, I reached the Pineapple Island, Hon Thom Island. I paid 700,000 dong for the cable car. And it comes with access to the water park, which I have no plans to make myself wet today. Plus another park, I need to find what park is that. That's what the staff told me. And also this ticket entitled me to access to the Keys Bridge, which is at the Sunset Town. Alright, it says left turn to Exotica Village and Water Park. Let's make a left turn. I am kind of a little bit lost my way now. I don't know which way to go to the exotic park or the water park, even though I no plan to get myself wet today. Am I just auto room around? This is the way to water park. So I don't think this is the main entrance, but let's just go in and take a look. What is this? Exotica theme park. Oh, so this is the eagle eye to bring it up to have a panoramic view of the entire island. Let's go.
One hour later.
I took the cable car back to Sunset Town, a project by Sun World. With this trip to Sunset Town, I have visited all Sun World's major theme parks in Vietnam, namely Sun World Bana Hill, Sun World Phan Xipang, Sun World Ha Long, and here Sun World Phu Quoc.
So this place really gives you the feeling, the flavor of Italy. Look at all these statues. And after the success of the Golden Beach of Bana Hill, Sun World also constructed another interesting bridge here to attract tourists. This is the popular the Keys Bridge. Let me go closer to show you. Alright guys, that is the Keys Bridge. Let me zoom in for you. Many shop spaces here actually are empty, not rented out. The way I see it is that they are still not attracting enough tourists to bring in tenants. And I believe you know what is this building. This is the Colosseum. If you watch the movie Gladiator, Maximus. Okay, this is a south wind to the Keys Bridge. This is the keys of the seashore at night. It's a water screen, very colorful. It's a paid show, you need to get a ticket. I am reaching the end point of the Keys Bridge. And what do we have here? Italy's Amalfi coast.
And get ready for an incredible show featuring the world's best jet ski and flyboard athletes. Don't miss it.
The end point of Keys Bridge, except no one is kissing me from the other end. At arm's length distance. I think I have reached the street of night market of Italy. Let's check it out. But I see like all Asian food, Vietnamese food. Shouldn't it be more like Italian food? Come on, give me pasta or pizza. I might give a chance. Holy smoke, we have Spider-Man grilling octopus. Spidey, How many times you see a Peter Parker grilling skewer? Let's go support him. I've ordered octopus skewer from Peter Parker. I think he must be damn sweating hot inside.
You will need one full day to cover both Hon Thom Island and its water park, as well as the Sunset Town. Explore Sunset Town and Keys Beach in the afternoon. Enjoy the Jetski and Flyboard show in the evening by international athletes. Have dinner in any of the restaurants or street hawkers in the night market. Lastly, watch the mesmerizing Kiss of the Sea show and fireworks at night. Oh, wow! Good morning, Vietnam! I started the day by exploring the beach along Dương Đông town. It seems that the quality of the sand here is really nothing to shout about, but I will review the best beaches in Phu Quoc Island later on. Keep watching.
Oh, the local ladies are catching something. Let's go find out what are they digging. I think they are getting some kind of shell, not snail, but shellfish. Chị ơi, cảm ơn nhiều. Oh, I think it's a kind of shellfish. This green color bars is Vin bars and electric bars provided free by Vin Group. You can take these bars to Vin Group's hotel resort, and you can actually drop along the way to your hotel. It's free.
Use the Vin bars to save on transportation costs. The most popular Vin bars is number 17, traversing between airports, Dương Đông Town and Vinpearl Grand World. It is absolutely free, but finding the bus stop is quite a challenge.
八仙过海。And yes, it's a lighthouse. Is it working? Still working? I think so. Okay, besides the theme parks and water sport, there are also many small pockets of attractions in Phu Quoc Island that you can visit, such as the Ham Ni Fishing Village, the Pagoda, the fish oil farm, pepper farm. There is a Vietnam War prisoner camp, etc., etc. To go to all these small little attractions, I think it is more efficient to go by day tour rather than booking transport yourself and hopping around. So today I'm following a full day tour around the southern part of Phu Quoc Island.菩提本无树，明镜亦非台。本来无一物，何处惹尘埃？ Right there, the statue of the Goddess of Mercy, Guan Yin, or local call it Lady Buddha. The sand is really fine and smooth. Holy moly, look at the turquoise water. Yes, Sao Beach can compete with Boracay. That is my review. This part of the beach is definitely much better than the beach, the shoreline along Dương Đông town where I'm staying, because of the fine sand and the turquoise water. I think this part of the beach, Sao Beach, is a must come if you visit Phu Quoc. Look at the water again, guys. Let me try to zoom in. It is so super clear. Holy cow! It was slightly heavy rain just this morning. Now it's freaking hot. About 32 to 34 degrees. We are now at the coconut prison.
The coconut prison is the only unpleasant attraction. I will cut it short.
Come on. Okay, more high bar yo. 19%. Yeah, 19%. Okay. Alright, that is sim wine and 19%. Try highest alcohol level 30. Okay.
I will end the first part of the video here. Please stay tuned for more fun, hidden gems and tips on Phu Quoc Island.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Nếu bạn thích video này, hãy thích và đăng ký. Cảm ơn bạn.